The caracara finds what he thinks is an easy meal. With all the real eggs hatched, egg cam is an irresistible temptation. It not only looks like a real egg, it rolls like one too. With egg cam finally in his claws, he does what comes naturally. Takes it into the air. A quick readjustment, and egg cam captures the first aerial of a penguin colony shot by a flying bird. But then egg cam slips from his grasp. But immediately it catches the eye of a turkey vulture. The game continues with different players. Finally, egg cam is back in the rockhopper colony.